Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the DXY monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a wave C and that this move down is going to end up turning into a downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually taking out this low way back here. Now we are talking about the monthly. That's going to take a very, very long time to play out. So let's head down to the weekly time frame, and I like to switch back to the US dollar index. On the US dollar index, it looks to me like a nice downtrend right here. I still think this is possibly a wave one. Now, like I've been saying for the last few days, there's definitely a possibility this could go up and make like an ABC of two, and then go back down, which would be a completely normal looking pattern. But I also see the possibility that this has already ended a correction and that this is just going to keep on trending down like that, like a 1-2 and a wave 3. So let's look for evidence of either scenario on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the daily. On the daily, I see what could possibly be either a motive wave correction or an ABCDE. Either way, it does kind of look to me like that is the end of a correction because this move down is a trend. That move down is not a correction. That looks to me like a trend. Now, this move up was pretty strong, but you will notice that it still has not taken out any swing highs. With the trend is still definitely down because of that, and I still think there's a very good possibility this could just keep on drifting down, especially if we're already in a big wave 3. So taking it down even further to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, you will notice that it looks like a three-way pattern up and it went right to the 78%, made a nice impulsive move down. To me, especially with the fact that it made a lower high, that looks to me like the end of a correction. If that is the end of a correction, then it will continue the downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs to make those patterns like I was showing on the longer time frames. So let's take it down even more to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we have a nice impulsive uptrend right here, probably an A. This to me looks like a three-way pattern, looks like a B, and then we have an uptrend for the C. We have impulsive down, and then we have lower high right at the 78%. All very good signs that that really is the end of a correction and that this is really going to end up continuing the downtrend. That doesn't mean that there's not going to be some pullbacks, some moves to the upside along the way, but those are actually really good for us because that's where I'll be looking to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. Maybe we can build a position the whole way down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.